The Palace X Nike Air Max DN8 Black Colorway brings a fresh, street-ready update to the iconic collaboration between London's Palace and Nike. This edition highlights 8 dynamic air chambers for maximum comfort and cushioning, perfect for everyday wear or collector display. Featuring a sleek black base with subtle orange accents, metallic swooshes, and detailed heterochromatic touches, this sneaker stands out while remaining versatile. The co-branded design showcases the intersecting Tri Ferg and Swoosh logos, emphasizing the premium nature of this collab. Beyond footwear, Palace drops exclusive apparel and city-specific pieces to complete the look. Official teasers hint at a holiday 2025 release, making this a must-watch for sneakerheads and streetwear enthusiasts. Don't miss the in-depth look at design details, styling tips, and everything you need to know about this Black Air Max DN8. Stay updated for release info, pricing, and full coverage of this highly anticipated sneaker drop.